Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. Here I have an Charmast. Charmast. Wait, what? Anyway, it's a power bank and is 26,800 milliampere hours. Wait, what? I can't speak right now, but whatever. Let's open this up and check it out. This is roughly about 3 times the power that the normal power banks are. So quite heavy actually, but I can't. This package is like right. So yes, yes. I just want to stick this knife into this and just break it, but let's take it easy. Let's take it easy. There we go. See, it opened up. Look at that. And it opens, and it opens, and it's open. So it opens from here, I think. There we go. Whoosh, whoosh, and ta-da! Let's see what else is hiding under here. Look at that. You have to do it like this. You have to do it like this. What the heck was that? I think I lost everything that was inside. Look at this, and then this. I think something flew in there. And this. And that. Right, so, what did we find in here? Model checker date. Wah! I don't know what is this. What's that? That's some adapter dingaling, I think. 3 different cables. Look, it looks like my finger when I stick it in that hole in there. Get this out of the way. I don't know what the heck all this is, but let's check out this thing. Whoosh. This is freaking massive, guys. Yeah, almost 30,000 milliampere hours. Let's see what this is all about. We have Type C output 1, output 2, output 3, lightning in, micro in, power bank, nice material, silkish rubber. I don't know what you call this material. It's not like rubber and it's not like plastic. It's like kinda in between. I call it silkish rubber because it's like really smooth and you just wanna touch it. No, honest, it's really nice material. It's just really nice, you know, for skin. So that's the power button, I believe. Does it work? Oh, yes, something is working. See, lights are coming on. So output 3, we have 2 blue ones, 1 orange one. Not sure why it's orange, but so I think this is Type C. Yes, that's Type C. See, that's Type C. Type C to Type C. This is what this input is. That's no, that's an output. Type C output. Is it? Yeah, that's an output. So. That's the micro USB, that's the input. So you can charge it like so, like that, with this thing, or you can charge it from lightning in. That's the lightning. Wait, isn't it lightning's the same, the micro USB? Yeah, that's also micro USB. Look, that's the same thing. These are both micro USBs. Yeah, look, these are the same. So you get 2 of these cables. 2 of these cables, 1 Type C, and I don't know what this is. Is that the lightning, I think? No, what is this then? No, that's the lightning connector. But wait, what? I didn't know a micro USB goes into a lightning connector. Look. Or did I? Look, it goes in here. I'm not even forcing it, or does it? No, not this way. It goes in here. Yeah, look, I'm not forcing it. It goes in here. And so does this thing. Look at that. I don't get it. Maybe it's not supposed to go in there? I don't know. I have never seen that normal micro USB goes into lightning in. But then again, I don't know. This is some kind of iPhone thing. And I don't do phones. So I don't know what that is. See? Look. Whatever, okay, that's how it looks like. So let's just test if it charges, just to make sure that it charges up the device. Whoosh. I got a small phone in here, so let's connect up the micro USB. Where is it going? Come on. Wait, what? I can't connect it to my phone? What's going on here? There we go. Connected it up to the phone, and if we block this in, it should start charging. See, light came on, phone came on. It's charging. The light ding-a-ding is charging. It's charging! And to talk about the capacity of this one, how much this is compared to the phone, I guess you can put it by size really, but it's not like that. Phone batteries are usually from 1200 to about 3500 milliampere hours. Like, not this kind of phone, but I mean in general, all kind of like smaller phones, bigger phones, stuff like that. And this is almost 30,000. So this thing can charge any phone at least, I would say, like 8 times. At least 8 times. Any phone you have. And smaller phones, more than 10 times, I would say. So this is definitely very freaking awesome power bank, guys. Look at that. It's not really a pocket size, but I mean, it's powerful. So that's how it looks like, that's how you use it, and that's how much power it has, and I will see ya next time.